simple present. Do, don't, does, doesn't. To form the affirmative sentences, we use the base form of the verb after the subject. I play. You read. We swim. They go. He writes. She speaks. It works. For the third person singular, most verbs add an s at the end. Harry and friends play football every day. We often have dinner at 9 p.m. Raju's brothers live in Switzerland. I watch TV every day. Sam sometimes sleeps on the sofa. Jenny does her homework on weekends. The sun rises in the east. To form the negative sentences, we use do not and does not, followed by the subjects. I do not play. You do not read. We do not swim. They do not go. He does not write. She does not speak. It does not work. In the negative sentences for the third person singular, base form of the verb doesn't change. Harry and friends don't play football every day. We don't have dinner before 8 p.m. I don't watch horror films. You don't play cricket. Ali doesn't watch news on TV. She doesn't do her homework on Mondays. It doesn't rain a lot in winter. To form the interrogatives, we use do and does before the subject, and put the base form of the verb after the subject. Do I play? Do you read? Do we swim? Do they go? Does he write? Does she speak? Does it work? Do those girls listen to music every day? Yes, they do. They sometimes listen to music. Do they have breakfast at 8 a.m. every day? No, they don't. They have breakfast at 7 a.m. Do you and your family watch TV? Yes, we do. We sometimes watch TV. Does Mary listen to music every day? Yes, she does. She sometimes listens to music. Does George have breakfast at 8 a.m. every day? Yes, he does. He always has breakfast at 8 a.m. Does your sister live in New York? No, she doesn't. She lives in London. Subscribe to watch more videos on animated grammar presentations, interactive grammar exercises and vocabulary quizzes.